Justin reacts to Philip's 7 scenes, matutuwa na matatawa ka. Justin really is the ever-supportive bunso to his kuyas. Yun nga lang, hindi mo talaga ma-expect kung ano ang magiging komento nito. Now with Philip's 7 Sins album was released, it looks like pinakinggan lahat o halos lahat ni Justin ang mga kanta dito at nag-iwan pa ng mga komento. In post, Justin commented, as a model, mahilig siyang mag-pose. In ache, he commented 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ache. In lost, he said, dapat ito yung nasa huli, meaning last. Sa greed naman, pa-video greed idol. For envy, he commented, wala ba tong envy? Which he meant MV or music video. For wrath, he commented, basher, boo, Philip, wrath. This is so typical of Justin, nagpo-promote na nga pero in the form of barda. And of course, siya lang ang nakakagawa niyan dahil being the bunso, he has the bunso privilege at walang magagawa ang mga kuya.